Now coming to this one, this is Google Meet, where we can directly interact with the people. And here actually, if we see that this particular platform is for direct interaction, face-to-face interaction, and for presentations we can use this platform. For this we have to move to our Google account. This is Google Meet. If we click Google Meet, you can easily see that this kind of window will pop up, and here you have two options: either you should join or you start your meeting. And if you have scheduled your meeting, then it will appear here. Like on 14th we have scheduled a meeting of Google Meet at 3. For all these training sessions, we all can interact directly on Google Meet while giving this training. Okay, so we will start with this. We will write any name. We can start IDMC. Okay, continue. Here we have option to mute our mic. Suppose we are entering in any program. So before entering, there might be some discussion going on. So what we will do, we will mute ourselves. Whether we want that our camera should be turned off or not, this will be done from this particular button. If we click this button, then camera is off. If we will click, then it is on. Then what we want, whether we want to join or we want to present. If we will click this, we will directly start presenting from this side, whatever we want. Otherwise, we will join with this. And when we join as a because we have started this, we have initiated this meeting, so it will ask for adding people. हम इसको यहाँ पे लोगों का मेल दे सकते हैं, जैसे हमने दिया. Now suppose I have invited and I can send mail to them. Suryaban, S-U-R-Y-A, Surya, B-H-A-N, A-N, okay, Suryaban Singh, it's there, okay. So now I have sent this link to my team with whom I want to interact on this Google platform, okay. So this will reach to them and they will join one by one. Since I have sent through email, so they don't need permission. Otherwise, they need permission from this side. Okay. Okay. Have you noticed that they didn't ask for permission because the information was sent through mail. So one by one, everybody will join, and this is how we start our Google Meet meeting. Okay. So then in this Google Meet we have different add-ons. What we can do is we can go to this Meet add-ons for Chrome. Okay, suppose like there are many add-ons for attendance, there for view, for other specific purposes. We have connected few people, and the person who is speaking, you can observe a green signal of mic. The rest of the people, they have muted their mic. So those people who are communicating with each other, they are discussing the issue. So in this, actually, not only we can communicate, we can also present through PPT. This is what I'm selecting, one PPT here, and this PPT I will share to all in that group. Okay, so for that I have to go for presentation. I'm going to start my presentation to all the participants. Okay, so this is my presentation. I have opened my presentation in my computer, and yeah, I have started presentation. This is my presentation, and now what I will do, I will share. If I want to share only the presentation, I can select. Otherwise, I can select the whole screen. So now in this, I have shared only the PPT. So they can easily see what I am doing. This is the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So apart from that presentation, what we can do is we can simply use this PPT for taking class as a whiteboard or blackboard. We can draw figures, we can write text, and we can easily teach, or we can have a meeting like this. So right now many comments I am getting. While presenting, I can also see what people want to ask, what are their comments, so that while presentation, if somebody asks any question, then I can easily see and I can reply from here. In this application, it is advisable to keep your mic on mute if you are not communicating, so that people can listen voice clearly. This is all. Thank you. Okay.